It's alive.
You cannot heal your kidneys if you do these things every day.
Daily habits decide recovery. Mistake number 1. Not drinking. Drink enough water. Low fluid reduces filtration.
Mild dehydration is enough to cause damage.
Mistake number 2. Excess salt every day.
Hidden sodium everywhere.
Salt blocks kidney healing. Sorry.
Mistake number 3. Skipping meals. Natros.
Mistake number 4. Too much animal protein.
And is praising. More protein is not better.
Mistake number 5. Sleeping too little.
Kidneys heal at night.
Mistake number 6. Ignoring blood pressure.
Don't pressure, Bart. High pipe pressure destroys nephrons.
Mistake number 7. Sitting all day.
Are you sitting too much? A sedentary lifestyle can lead to poor circulation and other serious health concerns.
Just take it easy. The most important thing now is rest, and we'll monitor your progress closely.
Mistake number 8. Taking painkillers often.
Mistake number 9. Eating processed foods daily.
Preservatives everywhere.
Mistake number 10. Ignoring lab results.
The accumulation of creatinine, indicated in red, causes inflammation and early damage to the glomerulus.
We have a critical alert on Sector Gamma.
Mistake 10. The labs are unresponsive.
These 10 habits block healing. These are elf curriculum.
But change is possible.
If habits change,
It really just comes down to daily discipline for each other.
Kidneys recover slowly.
The situation is serious, but we have a plan. We're going to start treatment right away and monitor you closely. Many people try hard but miss this.
Awareness is power.
knowledge protects.
Sip water throughout the day.
Based on the results, everything is stable. We'll continue monitoring closely.
Your body adapts. Small cuts matter. Matter.
Protect your sleep schedule.
Sleep is medicine.
Gentle walking is one of the best ways to improve your circulation and boost your mood.
No intense exercise needed.
On yun saan?
This scientific visualization demonstrates how oxygen delivery leads to significantly better blood flow throughout the body.
Healing requires patience. Healing bride.
Everything looks good. You're responding well to the treatment, and we'll continue monitoring your progress closely.
And then he spilled the cake right on the dog. Oh, I remember that. That was the funniest Christmas ever.
You, Acid, Hekyu Bachkant, are not alone.
Healing or fly. Healing is blocked by habits.
Do not ignore these daily habits.
Nurturing Janskasian. Prevention is powerful.
Your kidneys work for you non-stop.
Sir, 성사는 decision of care. They deserve care.
Protect them. Our twinkling vista facets in over incidents, shiver dust, who would notice more gengo. Let's wrap this up.
Stop these 10 habits. Remember them.
You're doing very well. We just need to keep monitoring this closely, and you should be fine. Consistency really does matter with this treatment.
Stay committed. Committed.
It's not too late. It's not too late.
More kidney-saving guidance is coming.
Your future depends on today.
The treatment was a complete success. We expect full recovery and much better outcomes moving forward.
That is wonderful news.
Before you move on, pause for a moment.
And ask yourself which of these habits you still do daily.
No medication can fix daily damage.
Your kidneys respond to what you do every day.
Habits shape outcomes.
And ignoring small habits leads to big consequences.
Damage accumulates silently.
But stopping these habits slows the damage.
Healing becomes possible.
Your kidneys don't ask for much.
They work for you every second.
Stop these 10 habits. Stop these 10 habits. Support recovery daily.
Healing is not overnight.
But it is real.
Under Vihes Winter, ikas nokre praxen. Watch the next video to learn what to do instead.